So today I am going to be taking down my hair. Everyone say hi to my dog Worf. Yes, he is named after Worf. He's part Klingon, part we think Maltese and Yorkshire Terrier. Say hi, Worfy. He's having a hard time right now with anxiety, so when he has a hard time with anxiety, he's like really clingy and he only wants to be around me. And so he's like an empathy dog kind of, so whenever there's anything happening, he can like really sense things. Anyway, he's a very special pup. We love him, and he's just hanging out with me until he calms down. Anyway, so I am taking my hair down and taking out my braids. I've had this hair on for way too long and I'm getting bored with this color. So I'm going to be taking my hair down, and I'm going to be going from cute to still cute, because I think I'm just as cute as my natural hair even though I don't wear it. So I would like to show you like my transformation from this Amina to, well, future Amina. And just to show you, people have asked a lot about like what the process is and how hard it is for me to take down my different hairstyles. And so I'm going to show you what it's like to take down this one. But yeah, that's it. Today I'm taking my hair down and I'm going from cute hair to cute hair. So stay tuned for that.